So, I was uploading this video and I saw that it got a little more intense. So I decided to redo it. And you'll see why. Just keep your eyes peeled. They're coming out of the clouds and in the clouds. Oh man, I'm messing this up. Just keep your eyes peeled. You'll see. They are everywhere. The first video was just fantastic. I'm taking a big chance by throwing that away and doing this. But, look. Not just the black FOs. Got a lot more stuff going on in here now. That's why I did it. Okay. This is very busy up in here. So a lot of objects, you could say. The dome is below it. We're on a panoramic camera. I had to stop it once and wait for it to come back. That's why it looks so different now. Just gonna go maybe 30 more seconds so you can see a little bit more of this. Hologram, definitely. Definitely. Objects, definitely. A hologram is hiding something. How about hiding those? The first video was like loaded with them, but like I said, I saw more stuff going on in this. Oh. Yeah, they're coming right out of there and around it. Check that out. Ooh, look at that silver. Oh, did you see the silver one in the lower left? I couldn't get to it. Yeah, maybe we'll go a whole 5 minutes. It's just way too much stuff. Look at that. Whoops. Whoops. Look at those.